Hello everyone, welcome to LingoVerse Academy. My name is Beck and here I teach you English File Elementary series by Oxford. In the previous class we started doing Unit 1C where we learned classroom language. If you missed that video, please click here to check that out. In the future we'll be releasing all the videos on YouTube for you guys absolutely for free. So please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to not miss any future videos. In this class we're gonna start doing pronunciation and listening speaking exercises. Let's get immediately started. In the pronunciation part we start learning phonics O, oo, R and the alphabet. Okay, let's start by doing exercise A. We need to listen to the words and sounds, then listen and repeat. Let's get started.
1.36
Phone.
Phone. O.
Close.
Close.
Go.
Go.
Poland.
Poland.
Boot
Boot.
oo
Oo.
School
School.
do
Do.
to
To.
Car.
Car.
R. Class.
Class.
Answer.
Answer.
France.
France. Well done. Let's move on to the exercise B. We need to listen and repeat the alphabet. Let's listen and repeat.
1.37 A B C
A, B, C.
D E F
D, E, F.
G H I
G, H, I.
J K L
J, K, L.
M N O
M, N, O.
P Q R
P, Q, R.
S T U
S, T, U.
V W X
V, W, X.
Y Z
Y, Z. Okay, well done guys. Let's move on to exercise C. We need to complete the alphabet chart with C, D, K, N, O, S, U and V. Listen and check. Now let's listen and complete the chart with these letters. Let's go.
1.38 Train
Train.
A
A,
A
A,
H
H,
J
J,
K
K.
Tree
Tree.
E
E,
B
B,
C
C,
D
D,
E
E,
G
G,
P
P,
T
T,
V
V. Okay.
Egg
Egg.
E
E,
F
F,
L
L,
M
M,
N
N,
S
S,
X
X,
Z
Z.
Bike
Bike.
I
I,
I
I,
Y
Y.
Phone
Phone.
O
O,
O
O.
Boot
Boot.
Oo
Oo.
Q
Q,
U
U,
W
W.
Car
Car.
R
R,
R
R. Okay, great job guys. Well done. Let's move on. We do exercise D where we need to listen to the groups of letters. Let's start listening.
1.39 1 E
E.
A.
A.
I.
I.
2. G.
G.
J.
J.
3. K.
K.
Q.
Q.
4. C.
C.
S.
S.
5. V.
V.
P.
P.
B.
B.
6. M.
M.
N.
N.
7. V.
V.
W.
W.
8. Y.
Y.
U.
U. Great job! Well done, guys. Let's move on to exercise E, where we need to listen and circle letters you hear. So, we'll listen to group of letters. We need to circle letters that we hear. Okay? Let's start listening.
1.40. 1.
E. E.
E.
2.
J,
J.
J,
J.
3.
Q.
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 4.
C,
C.
C,
C.
5.
B.
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 6.
M,
N.
M,
N.
7.
V.
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 8.
Y,
Y.
Y.
Y. Great job, guys! I hope you got these letters correctly. Let's move on to exercise F, where we need to practice saying the phrases below. Use abbreviations. For example, let's look at the first one. A personal computer. A personal computer. This is a PC. Okay, let's write PC. Let's write PC. Okay, good. The United Kingdom. The United Kingdom. We write UK. Okay? Please follow me, guys. The European Union. We say EU. Okay? World Wide Web. World Wide Web. We write WWW. Let's move on. A very important person. A very important person. We write VIP. I believe, guys, you have seen VIP in a lot of places. The United States of America. The United States of America. USA. USA. A portable document format. A portable document format. A PDF. A PDF. The National Basketball Association. The National Basketball Association. NBA. Great job, guys! That's how we finish pronunciation part. Let's move on to listening and speaking part. If you are still here, still watching the video, please like the video and write a comment down below. What do you think about our class? We would love to hear from you guys. Let's move on to listening and speaking. Let's do exercise A. Michaela is a student of English. Listen to her Skype interview with Mark, a teacher at a language school in England. Complete the form. Alright, unfortunately we will not have Skype anymore, but we still have the exercise here. Let's listen and complete the form.
1.41.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Hi. Yes, fine. I can hear you.
Oh, good. I'm Mark from English House Language School.
Hi, Mark.
Okay, can I check your details first?
Yes, of course.
What's your first name?
Michaela.
How do you spell it?
Micaela.
Micaela. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
And what's your surname?
Vasquez.
Vasquez. Is that V-A-S?
No, it's VAZQUEZ.
V-A-Z-Q-U-E-Z. Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 20.
Where are you from?
I'm from Argentina.
Where in Argentina?
From Buenos Aires.
What's your address?
It's Florida 165.
Florida's the street. Number 165?
Yes.
What's your postcode?
Sorry?
You know the postcode?
Ah, yes. It's C1005AAC.
C1005 AAC. Great. What's your email address?
It's m.vasquez@mail.com.
And what's your phone number?
My mobile or my home phone, my landline?
Both, mobile and landline.
My mobile is 111589345568.
111589345568. Great. And your landline?
541160235442.
541160235442.
That's right.
Okay, that's great. So, what do you do, Michaela?
I'm at university. I'm a medical student.
Well done, guys. Great job. Hope you guys got this information correctly. Let's move on to exercise B. Listen, complete, marks questions to Michaela. Now, let's listen and complete. Let's start.
1.42. 1,
What's your first name?
2,
What's your surname?
3,
How do you spell it?
4,
How old are you?
5,
Where are you from?
6,
What's your address?
7,
What's your postcode?
8,
What's your email address?
9,
What's your phone number?
Now, we need to pay attention here, guys. Sentence stress. In sentences, we stress the important words. For example, what's your first name? What's your first name? So we stressed what's and the first name. When we respond to that questions, we say it's Mark. It's Mark. So we need to stress Mark because that's an important information. Now let's move on to exercise C, where we need to listen again and repeat the questions. Copy the rhythm. Try to follow his rhythm and copy the stress. Let's start listening.
1.42. 1,
What's your first name?
What's your first name?
2,
What's your surname?
What's your surname?
3,
How do you spell it?
How do you spell it?
4,
How old are you?
How old are you?
5,
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
6,
What's your address?
What's your address?
7,
What's your postcode?
What's your postcode?
8,
What's your email address?
What's your email address?
9,
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number? Well done, guys. Now we do exercise D, where we need to ask your partner the questions. Write the answers, okay? So you can ask me in the comment section below and I'll respond to your questions. Alright? I'll wait for your questions, guys. When saying emails, we need to pay attention here. This is called at. For example, she said mvasquez@mail. Okay? So this is called at. And this is called dot. Dot. Again, on the email, she said m.vasquez@mail.com. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, please like the video and share the video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss any future videos. In the next video, we're gonna learn grammar. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.